Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy format in a Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then you show this text format text. This format in the copy. Firstly, select your format, and then we can see in going to the home menu option. Now click for the format painter option. Now select your text. That's okay. Then again select your text format and click for the format painter option. Now select your, that's okay. Then again select your format. Now click for the format painter option. Now select your format painter. That's okay. Then I show the copy format in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.